Okay, if I stop the video every now and then, it's because I have to go back and just double check the reference picture that I'm using, making sure that I'm getting things right so that I'm teaching you right. Okay, so I'm gonna start by finding, so this is just a black gel eyeliner pencil. So you can use a kohl pencil or whatever. I happen to really like, this is an, oops. I don't know if you can see that. It's just an LA gel liner. These are fairly inexpensive, but they're super awesome quality. So I'm gonna fill in the first half of my eyebrow with this. And I apologize if this takes me a little extra longer than I normally would take. I'm doing this without my glasses, and even this close to the camera, I am blind as a bat, so everything's just a little blurry. So I'm just trying to make sure that I take my time to do this right. And then, so yeah. So just fill in the first half. It doesn't, okay. We just want to hit that peak point right there. And then I'm gonna grab my spoolie. And I'm just gonna kind of comb through this, right? Just making sure that it's full, that it's not spotty. Oh, let's see. Right there, kind of goofed. It'll be okay. But just making sure, and then just kind of combing my eyebrows up to that point. Oh, it's not. Okay. So then I'm gonna take my felt tip eyeliner and I'm just gonna kind of follow this line up. Oh gosh. Sorry if this is wobbling. My table's kind of not super steady. You know what? I think I can do this with my glasses on. Alright, there we go. Maybe? There we go. So just kind of bring it up like so. And see, I'm not going all the way up to my hairline. Oops, I just did on accident, but that's okay. And then on this side, again, just starting at that point and just kind of rocking up. Okay. I'll be right